Alright, chocolate ganache. There you go. First, break this 300 grams of chocolate, 150 grams of cream, 150. 150. That's it. Warm it till 90 degrees, not cooking. So let's see. 90 degrees. It's now, what is it? 17. There it goes. 70 degrees. Start to shiver. Take it off because the pan is heat. 82, 83, 84. Almost cooking. And 80. That's it. Stop it. And then we put it on the chocolate. So that's good. Let it just. So let's see. Have patience. It's melting, you see. It's melting, it's melting. It looks terrible, but now you can put some butter in it, but I don't want it because after this we will do the fondant on the cake. Getting real nice. You see, it's still there. Let's come on. Still more also. Maybe I should have made them a little bit smaller pieces. You see, it's not melting. It's not what I expected. Alright, this is too cold, so you see it's sticky. I have to warm this a little bit and then we'll see what happens. Now I think it's better. Let's try it. Yes. There are no lumps anymore. Oh. Everything you have to learn. Little pieces. Alright. Thin layer because it's already thick. So let's see if I can achieve that. I think it's too thin. But alright. I don't think it's bad for the first time. Could be better, of course. This is good. No, this is what I just saw of, and I thought, oh, that could be better to make it a little bit more smoother than it is already. Alright, I think this is what it is. So now we can put on the fondant on it. Not perfect, but it works. So this is how it looks now. This stupid chocolate paper, I should have taken it away and it's chocolate. And now does it look? No. Satisfied? Yes?
Yes.
Alright, do you want a half of it?
I'm not saying anything to that.
What do you want? How do I cut this?
Yeah.
I didn't decorate it, so because it wasn't. Look, it's not looking very nice.
No, it's a shame.
It's a shame. This corner as well.
Yeah, okay. If it's too heavy, then
It goes smooth.
I eat it in 4 days or so. That first one you made in Bedario.
Yes. Look. Yes.
Oh. Looked a little bit crumbled.
Yeah. This is nice. Do
looks
you
nice.
want I have one and you want
What?
you want
Now I want a lot of marzipan.
then you need to go.
And you take a bigger one. You think van, okay, I have swum, so I can take a bigger one. Yeah.
It's nice.
He has also apps. Well, one app. That's the difference.
Alright, this is the inside. It looks very crumbly.
Yes.
This is the apple,
You can
And
take
this is
this
the-
crumble.
and then there's a crumble, but this is soft now.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
of course. And this had to be hard. Alright.
Well, I'm curious how it will taste. Thank you.
So I started yesterday with the little roast, but it's nice. But I didn't have Toulouse and I didn't have Cusco, so it's not gum paste. This is fondant, so it's great, as you see. I wanted to put it on the cake, but yeah, look, I wanted to make 7 or 8 or 9. Put them over this. That's the end of this cake, because I don't like the cake. It's not looking nice. This one, no, it's not good. Sorry. That's the cake for this week.